In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Notion dashboard more aesthetic. 5 minutes. First, log into your Notion account. Once you're in, open a page you want to improve or create a new one. Starting fresh can be helpful, but any workspace can be beautified with a few quick changes. Begin with the page icon. Click the icon area at the top of the page, then switch to the Icons tab. Here you can browse a wide selection and also change the icon's color. Choose a color that matches the tone of your dashboard, soft neutrals for a calm vibe, or bold accents for something energetic. Pick an icon that complements the theme or purpose of your database or page so it feels intentional at a glance. Consistency is key. Repeating colors across icons will immediately make your dashboard feel cohesive. Next, add a cover. Click Add Cover, then select Change Cover. You can choose from Notion's built-in gallery or upload your own image. If you upload, try using images with subtle textures, gradients, or simple patterns. They look great and don't distract from your content. Keep an eye on contrast so your page title stays readable against the cover. If you're using brand colors, this is a great place to echo them for a polished look. Now let's bring your dashboard to life with widgets. Search online for Notion-friendly widgets like clocks, calendars, weather, quotes, or timers. Copy the widget link, paste it into your Notion page, and select the embed option. Resize the block to fit your layout. If you like quick actions, look for button-style widgets as well. They're perfect for jumping to key pages or launching common workflows. Always use reputable sources and skim the permissions before embedding. Beyond visuals, customize your database to align with your aesthetic. Adjust properties, choose clean icons for each entry, and select a view such as board, list, or gallery that matches the information you show most. Tweak card previews to highlight just the details you need. Minimal, well-chosen properties can make the entire page feel lighter and more inviting. To organize your space further, create multiple columns. Drag and drop blocks side by side to build a grid, placing your main content in the center and supportive widgets along the edges. Balanced spacing and clear groupings make navigation effortless. Finally, keep exploring Notion features to refine your aesthetic. Aim for a consistent color palette, thoughtful typography, and purposeful white space. With these simple adjustments, your dashboard will look clean, cohesive, and genuinely yours.